呢個邊啊？邊邊有紅啊，蟹花蟹。ทอดเส้นหมู300
So I've just come down to the Banzaan Market. I haven't been here for years, and I ordered a whole sea bass and a couple of big shrimps. It's got this here. So what you do is you come in and you buy your fish or whatever from down the bottom, and then you bring it up the escalator, and you find one of these stalls here. Find one of these stalls. And you negotiate a price with your fish or your seafood, and then once you've got that, you get your ticket and you go over there and you pay for it, and then you go back, you give them a little voucher just so they know you paid. So I'm going to show you what the food looks like when it comes. Beauty, thank you. Shrimp. Okay. So this is what we're eating. We got a sea bass here, and we got a couple of shrimps, couple of sea bass. Stay tuned. Spicy sauce. Job done.